This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 109 of building the Dodge Charger RT, the 109th episode, the penultimate episode. After this, there is but one more. Let's have a look and see what they are telling us about in this. Back in action. Heroes are back in action. Fate the Furious. Rudely interrupted. New threat. Shows no matter who you are, you can never escape your past. Yeah, I think this is Fast 9 that they're talking about there. Fast 10 has just released in the cinemas as well, so there's good timing for that. So yeah, there we go. Dodge Venom, the concept car, looks quite nice. Yeah, not sure about the colour. Not sure about the huge vents either, but these sort of things often make their way down eventually. So the shaping might all come in, but the vents probably won't. Right, the front right wheel arch, just what we did on the left, we're doing on the right. Exactly the same, but mirrored. And less wires to worry about, because obviously there's no wires going up that side. So we'll do that, get the wheel back on, and then we'll be ready for the final stretch, the final end, the last issue. How to install a NOS system? I wouldn't do it myself. I just think that's far too dangerous playing around with things like that. But obviously, if you want to, you can. But yeah, I wouldn't do it to a normal, everyday car. Probably something a bit sporty to be able to handle it. But there we go. That's that. Let's get straight to it. Okay, the assembly before we bring the car in, same as last time. We've got this bit to attach to that with the AP screws. Still having trouble with the screwdrivers. Lined up. About there? No, it's not there. Why can't I get that lined up? That feels like that should be there, but it isn't. It wouldn't be a build video for me if I didn't have a problem with getting something lined up properly, would it? Right there. Of course, it looks like there, but it isn't. It's next to there. They're adjacent. Come on. Try again, shall we? I thought this is going to be a nice, easy, quick build video, just to get everything, set up, good to go. Doing stuff that we've already done before, so it's nice and easy. Is it? Is it? Right. So that is now attached to that. Let's tighten these up here while I'm here. There we go. That's that, and that is that. Then we get to do the same again across the top with that bit going onto those and going into there. Nice. And then after this, I need to once again bring in the huge upside down car and get this fitted exactly the same way as we did on the last one. So I shall see you in just a moment with the rest of the car. You're right. There we go. This is a very uncomfortable position for me. So we'll get this done quite quickly. That's going to go in there the same as the last one did. So it's even harder to get in because angles. That in first. I think I did that last time. And then that goes all the way down to the floor. We've got the metal screws. Hold that in place. There we go. That one in there. One more in there. The two others holding this in place up the top. Then I can fit that in there, which I can't see from this angle at all. So I'm going to do that off camera. Get that in there with a couple more screws. And then that will be getting the wheel back on. So I shall see you when I'm ready to do that. All right, that's that done. Just the last thing is to put the wheel back in place again. Just the same as last time. Easier to do if you can get your angles right, but see how I can get it on from about here and drop the screw. Luckily they gave us extra screws. I do wonder why are they giving us extra screws for this, the IM screws, but that will be why, just in case you are an idiot like me and drop it. Could probably find it, but it's easier just to grab a new one, put that through there and try not to drop it again. That lined up on the center post. There we go. So there we have the car once again almost completed. I've got to put the cover back on that, but that's easy when I can get it the right way out. That's that. So I shall show you in its glory next time. For now, that's the last of it you see. Next time is the final one. We're putting the last couple of bits in place over the edges basically, and then finishing it off. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.